Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be painting Ranunculus. Ranunculus have a very similar shape to roses just because they're one of those soft, round, romantic flowers, but they have tons of tiny, rounded petals that make them look so lovely. I'm just going to go around and add a bunch of stretched out C curves until I'm happy with how big the flower is. Now when I say that Ranunculus are round, I don't mean to make them into a perfect circle. You can see that the outer edges of my flowers aren't even or perfect, but they have that shape of the flower that we're going for. I'm just going to go back in while my paint is wet and add in some darker color to give this flower more dimension. For my next flower, I started with the lighter yellow shade in the center and then went to the pink afterward and went from there. There's no right or wrong way to go about painting these, I just wanted to show you some different options to try out. I think I prefer painting the lighter color in the middle and working out from there, but I would love to hear what you prefer down in the comments below. For this last flower, I decided that this Ranunculus should be a little bit more open, so the petals aren't all painted as C curves. I painted more U-shaped petals for the inner parts of the Ranunculus, and then finished off the flower with the same C curve shapes like I did on the previous ones. While those flowers dry, I'm going to add in my greenery and leaves. If you've ever looked at the greenery on Ranunculus, the leaves are very ruffled, so that's what I'm trying to go for here. Now that my flowers are dry, I'm going to go in and add the dark centers of my ranunculus. I've just dotted down some dark blue paint, and I put a little too much paint in there, so I'm going to be going back in with my dry paintbrush and then later on with the paper towel. I'm just going to dab out some of that color. Now I'm not pressing down all the way, I'm just letting the excess paint soak up into my paper towel rather than dabbing directly onto the paper. And then I'll go in with my detail brush and then add some tiny C curves to kind of tie the centers of the flowers with the base that I've already painted. You can see that ranunculus start to come together. Last, I'm adding in some little details with my leaves, and then I accidentally dripped right on my paper. But I'll just go back and dab that up with a paper towel while the paint is still wet, and it looks like it never even happened. This is one of the things I love about watercolor. And there you have it! If you liked this video and you want to see more, please hit that thumbs up button. If you're new here, please subscribe. I post a new calligraphy video every Monday and a new watercolor video every Wednesday. If you have a question you'd like me to answer or have a video request, just leave that down in the comments below. I also wanted to let you know that I'll be doing Instagram live videos starting this Saturday, January 6th. You can find me over on Instagram at Snowberry Design Co. Thanks again for watching. Bye!